What to do if you want to fix your pictures but don't want to spend hours or days learning how. There are so many free photo editors available and all claim to be easy and fast. The problem is, all you want to do is fix a few pictures that are either too dark or too bright or the image wasn't clear. What do? Well, I use GIMP for many things, but for quick fixes of simple pictures, it's way too much to go through. If you have a Windows 10 computer, you already have what you need to do simple fixes like these in just seconds. And you might even have some fun at the same time. This video is not to show you how to do color grading or image manipulation, although this can be the first steps to learning color grading. Instead, we want to show you how to get something done now for when you don't have time to learn anything complicated. Now, if the picture is still on your phone or in your camera, copy it to your computer. I'll cover the basics of that at the end of this video. Now in Windows, File Explorer, find your picture and right mouse click on the file. Then from the menu, select Open With and choose Photos. This may already be the default selection to view pictures and videos from File Explorer, and you may not even know it. If it is, you can just double click on the picture file. When the picture comes up, select Edit and Create from the top right corner. From the menu that drops down, select Edit. This will bring up the editing tools. There are many tools that can be used, but we're just going to focus on Adjust to help you to fix your picture now. Select Adjust. This brings up the adjustment tools. Now there are several, but for now we're going to just look at fixing a dark picture. Below the word light is a control that will do many things at once. Sliding it to the right brightens the entire picture. Sliding it to the left darkens the entire picture. This is a good place to start because it really may do what you want right now and you're done. There is a reset that will show up after you make a change, so don't worry about making a mistake. Just try it and see if you like the results. If you like the results, you can save the file and you're done. I don't recommend using the Save button unless you're 100% happy with the results. That's because this will replace your original picture with what you have just made. Choose the Save As button and give it a new name to keep your original picture so you can try other things. But what if the picture is not quite what you want? It improved it, but it didn't give you what you really want yet. Now you can go to the next level of control. Click on the word light and 4 controls will come out. With these 4 controls, you can make the individual changes to fix most dark picture issues. Here are some examples. Contrast. Sliding the control to the right increases the contrast, making things stand out. Bright parts get brighter, dark parts get darker. This will help when the subject of the picture is fuzzy, maybe from a haze or maybe a mist or just a little out of focus. Sliding the control to the left reduces the contrast, making the image even out. The difference between bright and dark will be less. Exposure. Sliding the control to the right increases the effect of exposure. It makes everything brighter, as if you added more light when you took the picture. Sliding it to the left decreases the effect of exposure, making everything darker, as if you blocked some of the light when you took the picture. Highlights. Sliding the control to the right brightens just the light parts of the picture, but has no effect on the darker parts. Sliding it to the left darkens just the light parts of the picture. Shadows. Sliding the control to the right lightens darker parts of the picture, makes them brighter, but has no effect on the lighter parts. Sliding it to the left darkens the dark parts of the picture. Again, has no effect on the light parts. Now here is an example of using each one of these controls in combination to fix a picture. So now you see how this can be done very fast and easy. Getting your pictures onto your computer from your camera or phone is easy as well. For iPhone users, I created a video just for you. Click here to see it, or look in the description below for the link. Now for Android smartphone users, just plug the charging cable into the phone and into the computer's USB connections. Then go to the File Explorer. It may have even popped up a window for your phone's storage. Then double-click the device that your pictures are stored on. In that, you will find a number of folders. Double-click on DCIM. Then double-click on Camera. In this folder, you will find most of the pictures that you have on your phone. Find the one you want to adjust and click and drag it to a folder on your computer or the desktop of your computer. For a dedicated camera, you can try the same method as with the Android device, or if you have an SD card reader on the computer, you can turn the camera off, remove the card, insert it in the reader, and then access it in the File Explorer. Your pictures will be in the DCIM folder and maybe another folder inside of that.
Thanks for watching our video. If you like what you see, press the like button below and subscribe. And also check out our other videos.